Hey guys, what is up? AK the Tall here, back again with another video. I hope you guys are doing very well because I am having a blast and crushing life. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can replace the LEDs from your number plate. I know this is kind of silly, but come on guys, some people don't know how to replace them. So they go to a shop to make someone else do it for them and then pay extra, you know. So I'll show you how you can replace them. Alright, so I know there are some thinking that you need to remove this glass from outside. It's not really glass, it's plastic or something, yeah. But anyway, some people think you need to remove this in order to replace the lights. But and then you have people who know that you yeah, people who know that you do it from the inside, but they are too scared to open this panel. Don't be scared guys, this is not like fiberglass or something, so it's very easy to remove, nothing will break, don't have to worry. First you need to clip out a little bit, just this piece, because a piece of this is sitting under there. Don't look at my nail, the door of the car did it. Damn, that hurt. So yeah, do it on this side too. You see that it's clipping together, so yeah, when you leave this on you can't get this out. Okay, so now just look where you want to pull first. Let's do here. Just pull it. See, just pops off. These clips are holding the panel, so you remove all the side. Let me continue doing this because this will fall down, and I'll get back to you guys. The panel is off, and here is it. Where is it? Oh yeah. Oh my god, sorry about that. So yeah, you need to find this plug right here, and in order to remove it or to take it out, you need to twist it, you turn it, whatever, then till you can take it out. So you see this LED right here, I already replaced mine. So I just wanted to show you guys how you can access the LED or your standard bulb. So this is the LED that I use. Don't look at my fingertips. Yeah, you can find this at a lot of stores, even grocery stores right next to the groceries. I'm just kidding, but yeah, you can find it anywhere. A lot of places sell them. There are like lots of types. I also bought for the front park. Yeah, but it's kind of different than this one, but same fitting. So yeah guys, you put your LED in there, twist it again, and you're good to go. Already light it up. Let me show you guys what this one looks like. Yeah, I turned it on. Look at it. It's not nighttime right now, so I can't show you guys what it looks like when it's closed. I'll see, maybe later on I'll make a picture and show you guys. Alright, let me put this panel back on. So yes guys, that's what I wanted to show you. Just helping out so you don't have to pay someone else to do it for you next time. You can just go ahead and look for the LED, buy it and install it at home or wherever, you know. So now you know. If you're gonna ask me about other cars, this is a Toyota Wish 2006. I don't think there's a car where you do it from the outside to access the LED. I think all of them are from the inside. I'm not sure, but yeah, just look out try removing the panel and see for yourself if you can find it. If you're too scared if you'll break something, maybe, yeah, the pins could break, but I removed the panel a lot of times. None of the pins broke on me. And yeah, thanks for watching. I hope it was helpful. What the hell am I saying? I hope it was helpful. Helpful. The word wealth sits in my mind. So yeah, I hope it was helpful. Now you guys know how you can replace your LEDs. For the front, if your lights get burned, cause mine got burned past week, I bought the bulb. I also bought the park LED and installed it. That's just opening the hood, and you can see from the back of the headlight the plugs from the you can see the plugs in the back from the headlight, and that's the same thing. You turn it till you feel like you can take it out, and yeah, you'll get access to it and replace it. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Peace yo.